we're making vanilla stuff today. That's right, guys. We got a whole bunch of vanilla pods. We've got some vodka. We've got some brandy. We're going to do stuff with vanilla today. That's right. This is another episode of things I have to make myself because I can't find them here. Now, to be fair, I can get things like Galliano, Liqueur 43, but not straight vanilla liqueur. So today, we're going to make vanilla liqueur, vanilla vodka, and we're also going to make vanilla extract because it's actually not much harder than the vanilla vodka. And of course, we're going to make a vanilla syrup. So 4 things we're doing today, 4 different vanilla infusions. So stick around, it's going to be a lot of fun. No vanilla cookies. All right, make sure you subscribe, guys, because next week, I'm also going to make 4 cocktails with these infusions that I've made today. So stick around, make sure you subscribe for that. We're going to start with the vanilla vodka and vanilla extract at the same time because it's actually the exact same ingredients. We've got vanilla pods and we have vodka. The only difference being how many beans we're using and how long it's infusing. So for the vanilla vodka, we're going to use 2 to 3 vanilla beans. Just split it down the middle. You don't have to actually scrape out the seeds. You just need to split the bean in half. And for the vanilla extract, we're going to do 12 to 15 vanilla beans. So yeah, these things are pretty expensive, so, you know. All right, so, and I'm going to do the vanilla extract directly in the bottle, whereas I'm going to do the vodka in a mason jar because I'm going to strain that one out later. All right, so we got our vodka here, top shelf vodka. It's a local vodka. 2 cups is going into the bottle for the vanilla extract, and 2 cups is also going to go in the bottle, in the mason jar for the vanilla vodka. As I mentioned, the only difference here is how long these are going to infuse. So for our vanilla vodka, we're going to infuse for about a week, 5 to 7 days. For the extract, we actually need this to go for 6 to 12 months. Yeah, that's a long infusion. But at the end of a year, you're going to have a whole bottle of homemade vanilla extract that you can use in all your baking and everything else. Pretty awesome. All right, moving on, we're also going to make our vanilla liqueur. We're going to do this kind of the same infusion here, 2 to 3 vanilla beans. I'm also going to add 2 orange peels to this one, although I did regret that. I didn't think they would add that much flavor. I did remove them after the first day of infusion, but that's optional. As is any other flavor you want to kind of add in addition. For the infusion here, we're going to add 3/4 cups of Overproof Vodka, or you could use Everclear, but I want a higher ABV on this one. And then we're also going to add some brandy to this one. You can basically, because this one is liqueur, you can add any spirit you want. It doesn't have to be vodka. Make it with rum, make it with whiskey. You make whatever vanilla flavored liqueur you want. Okay, so 3/4 cups, same amount. So we're doing half Overproof Vodka, half brandy. Okay, and that's going to infuse for 5 to 7 days, the same amount of time as the vanilla vodka. Okay, so about a week later, here's our vanilla extract. It's starting to go darker in color, but it's still got a long ways to go. You know, at least 4 months before it's ready to use. All right, the vanilla vodka is looking great, so we're going to strain that one directly into a bottle. So using the old trusty funnel lined with a coffee filter, we are filtering that into a bottle, and it's taken on a nice amber color. And that's it. The vanilla vodka is done and ready to use. We're also going to strain out our vanilla liqueur infusion. So that was the Overproof Vodka, the brandy. As I mentioned, there was orange peel, but I took those out about a day later. But for the liqueur, we're not done. We have to make a syrup. So 2 cups of water, 1.5 cups of sugar, and about 2 to 3 vanilla beans. Let that simmer for a while until it's got a nice vanilla flavor, and then strain it, and there you go. Instant vanilla syrup. We let it cool, obviously. You can use that in cocktails, but we're going to add it as well to our liqueur to finish that up. I'm going with about a 1/3 ratio, but you can add more syrup if you want a sweeter liqueur. There it is, guys. Vanilla vodka, vanilla liqueur, and vanilla extract. Obviously, the extract is not done yet. It's still got several months to go, but the liqueur and the vodka are ready to use. So let's do it and make a vanilla sour. All right. So we're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of our vanilla vodka. You know, I'm not a big fan of vodka, but hey, when we add flavor to it, that's what vodka's missing, is flavor. So whenever you add flavor to it, it's not bad anymore. All right, after that, we're going to add 1 ounce of our vanilla liqueur. If you're making this at home, if you just made the vodka, you could totally use Liqueur 43, Galliano, something of the sort here. 1 ounce of vanilla liqueur. Excellent. Now, because this is a sour, the next ingredient is, of course, some lemon juice. 1 ounce of lemon juice. I'm actually using here my first batch of super juice. A whole bunch of people made videos about that. I will link to a couple below. And finally, a 1/4 ounce of vanilla syrup just to sweeten it up a tad. You probably don't need it. The liqueur has a good amount of sweetness, but you could also use just plain simple syrup there. And finally, an egg white, because it is a sour. Again, guys, I've been getting comments about, ooh, egg white. If you don't like it, if you're afraid to use it, you can use aquafaba, which is chickpea juice, or you can buy literally bitter foaming agents. It's like a little bottle of bitters, and it makes your drink foam up. All right, we're gonna do a reverse dry shake. That's my new kind of favorite method for making foamy drinks. I think I like it. It's not that I think it makes a better foam. It's that because you're removing the ice in the first shake, and then you're shaking without ice in the second shake, when you're pouring it into your glass the second time, you don't have to use a strainer. So nothing is obstructing that foam from going into the glass. So you, in my opinion, you get the maximum foam mainly because you have no strainer to contend with. Look at that beautiful foam. We're gonna let that separate a little bit, and then we're gonna garnish with just a couple drops of Peychaud's bitters. You can use any bitters here. This is literally just for color and for adding a nice kind of aroma atop the drink. I suck at this. Although, to be fair, it works better if you've got that little eyedropper thing, which this bottle doesn't. And there it is, guys. We made a vanilla sour. It was actually quite delicious. We made four actually amazing vanilla products: extract, liqueur, vodka, and syrup. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Make sure you stick around because next week we're making 4 vanilla cocktails using our infusions. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you next time. Cheers.